Hi friends, how are you? Today, I'm going to talk about, she started applying coconut oil around her eyes. 5 minutes later. Unbelievable. So, stay with us, and do not miss this interesting explication. Coconut oil is simply amazing. Yes, it's probably one of the most effective and beneficial ingredients when it comes to your health and beauty. And now you probably ask yourself, why? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we can answer that question for you. Because this super healthy oil contains high amounts of lauric acid, which is very useful and beneficial for treating the skin wrinkles, reduces rashes, improves the skin's health, and it's also very useful in preventing acne appearance. The million-dollar question: is coconut oil good for dark circles under eyes? It moisturizes the skin around eyes to prevent dryness and wrinkling. It also penetrates quickly into the skin and rejuvenates. It contains vitamins and fatty acids that are essential to the growth of healthy skin cells. It contains vitamin E and antioxidants, which will help you heal and repair damaged skin cells. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it reduces redness and swelling. It contains high amounts of lactic acid, which will tighten your pores and make your skin smooth and firm. The answer is yes. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to apply a little amount of coconut oil on your dark circles and gently massage it into the skin for a few minutes. Leave it on overnight and wash it off the next morning. You will be amazed by the results. Your under eye bags will disappear after a few days. 1. Overnight skincare. You can also use coconut oil before you go to sleep. It's very simple. Just apply some coconut oil on your face and massage it gently. It will make your face pure, clean and refreshed. The coconut oil penetrates deeply into the skin, making it soft, flexible and nourished. 2. Whipped coconut oil cellulite cream. Cellulite is a problem for all women around the world. Ladies, you should know that coconut oil is the best natural solution against this aesthetic problem. How to use it? Just mix coconut oil and honey. Yes, that's it, and apply this mixture on your skin before going to bed, and after several weeks, the cellulite will be gone. You will be amazed by the results. 3. Cuticle softener. Here's what you need to do. Just massage coconut oil in a dry, hangnail-prone cuticles. 4. Varicose veins. You'll be amazed when we tell you that a recent study has discovered that rubbing coconut oil on varicose veins is an excellent method for this problem. So, if you suffer from this problem, we highly recommend trying coconut oil. 5. Coconut oil hand cream. Did you know that you can solve the problem with dry hands with coconut oil? The coconut oil will make your hands soft and smooth. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day.